Here's the complete recipe for spicy honey butter fried chicken. Start by marinating 500 grams of chicken in buttermilk, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight for best flavor. In a separate bowl, mix flour with paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Heat oil in a deep pan for frying. Remove the chicken from the marinade, dredge it in the seasoned flour, and fry until golden brown. Meanwhile, melt butter and stir in honey and hot sauce to taste. Once the chicken is done, drizzle or brush it with the spicy honey butter while hot. Serve immediately with a sprinkle of chili flakes or fresh herbs if desired. It's sweet, spicy, crispy, and insanely flavorful.